This isn't a memory of the bird I found on my lawn this morning. We named him Manquin,
the bird.
And we just buried him, me and Tess. And now we're gonna put down his grave. Don't stick it in. Or whatever.
With the bird. I want to see an innocent bird.
We haven't known him for a long time, but he meant so much to us.
Yeah.
I used to wake up every morning and hear him chirping. Now he's gone forever. Maybe he's in a better place now.
Or not. Maybe it's a horrible place.
Would you like to say any words, Tess?
We love you, Manquin. We're doing the best we could.
We'll always miss you, Manquin. You'll always be in our hearts. I think it's time to say goodbye, Tess.
I see you.